What's up guys, it's Carabella. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're doing a full body workout with no weight, so don't worry about having any equipment. All you need is your yoga mat. Before we get started, don't forget to click the subscribe button. Also smash that like button because that helps YouTube show this video to more people. Let's get started. First, we're gonna be doing kneel to squat and we're going to go up. Stay bent the entire time, never coming fully up, okay guys? So here to here, here to here, just like that. We will be doing 3 sets of 12, so go ahead and follow along. Give yourself a 5-second rest. Five-second rest. All right, last set, you guys. Good job. Take a 10-second rest. Moving down to your mat, we're gonna be doing V-sit bicycles. What you wanna do is keep your back up, arms out, just like this, okay? 3 sets of 20. Go ahead and follow along. Good job. 5-second rest. Good job. 5-second rest. Let's go. Last set of this one. Good job. Give yourself a 10-second break. Moving down into the plank position, we're gonna be doing plank toe taps, 3 sets of 20, just like this, okay, you guys? Tap, in, 3 sets of 20. Go ahead and follow along. Take a 5-second rest. Good job. 5-second rest. Ooh, you can feel your abs burning. I can. All right, last set, you guys. Back down on the mat, last 20. Give yourself a 10-second rest. Back onto your butt for some Russian twists. You guys know these exercises, legs up, side to side, okay? 3 sets of 20, let's do it. Five-second rest. Ooh, good job. One big breath. Last 20, you guys. I feel the burn too. Don't quit. Good job. Good job. Give yourself a 10-second rest. If you're not done yet, take it slow. Take it slow. Go at your own pace. It's all good. Moving into mountain climbers. Onto all fours. We are going to be doing mountain climbers just like this. This is what the form looks like. We're going to be doing 3 sets of 20. Let's get it. Second rest. Next set. Oh, my abs, my core, everything here is on fire. Last 5-second rest for this one. Last set, you guys, last 20. Good job. Take a 10-second rest. I know I saved the best for last, and you're gonna need your phone. That's why I pulled my phone over here. We're gonna be doing 3 planks for 1 minute each. I know, it's gonna be tough, but you're tough and you can do this. Good job. Good job, you guys. Take a 10-second break because we earned it, okay? 10-second break. I need a whole 10 right now. Okay, good job. 10-second break, 10 seconds. Let's go. I can do it, you can do it, we got this. Good job, you guys. Oh my God. Oh my God. Bitch. That sucked so bad. You have no idea how sore my body feels right now. Here, here, here. Oh my God. Oh, geez. That was some serious positive self-talk I was just doing right there. Good job, you guys. Those are some beginner full body exercises that you can do at home every week in order to keep your full body toned up and tight. If you enjoyed these exercises, give me a big thumbs up. Don't forget to click that subscribe button if you're not subscribed, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.